everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for watching. What I have for you is a little small something that I'm going to bring to you all. I am in the process of redoing my bathrooms. I have 2 full bathrooms. In my bathroom where I usually, do all my, YouTube videos in, I am going to, redo my floors. But right now, I am going to remove these old towels off of my regular flooring. When I first got in the house, this is the original floor, and I just added some towels on top of it. Now that this is 5-6 years old, I want to, take it up and remove it. But I didn't know how, because it was stuck. I tried using water to kind of loosen up the glue, but that didn't help. It only removed a few of them, but some of them was really, stuck onto the floors. So what I've learned by watching other YouTubers and, just looked up how to remove vinyl towels off of your flooring. So one guy had a hot gun, which you will need a hot gun, and a spatula. One of these things that you use to put putty on your walls, to cover up your holes in your walls. So I'm going to use this to kind of like lift up the towels, so as the glue melts. So you're going to use your hot gun in order to, melt the glue off of your, your floor up under your towel. To melt the glue up under your towel. And I watched him do it, and it was just that simple, because I didn't know how I was going to, get this flooring up. So I got most of it up by water, until I searched YouTube to see how can I get this up the easier way. So I'm going to show you what I've done so far. This is glue right here, so I'm going to have to figure out how to remove the remainder glue on the floor. I'm gonna have to try to get that up. So I'll figure out that, later. But in the meantime, I am going to show you all how I, remove the towel. Okay, you guys, I gotten the towels up. It was so easy using the hot gun. So now I'm going to have to get up the excess glue off the floor because it is pretty sticky. And I am going to go and look for some towels and recover this flooring. I'm going to leave the old flooring down and go and get me some more towels, different kind. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me see if I can remove this glue. If not, I would like to say thank you so much for watching. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And please comment, thumbs up. Let everybody know about your girl, Happy Dimples 39. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye-bye.